How to fix Discord lagging voice. So if you want to fix your Discord lagging voice or your microphone cutting out on Discord problems, then you just need simply open up your Discord. You can open up on your browser or you can also go with the application. So you just need simply go with the Discord, make sure that you're logged in. And now if you want to fix your microphone cutting on your Discord, then you need to go with the user settings, which is on the bottom left. And from the user settings, you need to scroll down a bit, and here you will have an option of voice and video. Just click on voice and video, and after that you need to scroll down a bit, and here you will have an option of noise suppression. Make sure that your noise suppression is selected as none. After that, you need to turn off your echo cancellation also. After that, you need to scroll down and turn off the option of advanced voice activity, and you may also have an option of automatically determine input sensitivity. If you have that option, then you just need to simply go and turn that off. And after turning all of these off, you can just simply restart your Discord, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.